The moment you begin to exercise, your body shifts from a resting state into an active physiological mode. Your muscles demand more energy, your heart begins to beat faster, and your lungs increase their activity to supply oxygen. This is not a simple reaction, but a coordinated response involving multiple systems working together to maintain balance and performance. In this video, we will explore step by step what truly happens inside your body during exercise. As movement begins, muscle fibers contract in response to signals from the nervous system. These contractions require immediate energy, which is initially supplied from stored molecules within the muscle. As activity continues, the demand for energy increases rapidly, forcing the body to activate additional energy systems. To meet the increasing demand, the heart begins to pump faster and more forcefully. This increase in heart rate allows more blood to circulate through the body, delivering essential nutrients and oxygen to the working muscles. The cardiovascular system plays a central role in sustaining physical activity. At the same time, your breathing becomes deeper and more rapid. The lungs expand to take in greater amounts of oxygen, which passes into the bloodstream through tiny air sacs. This oxygen is critical for sustaining energy production at the cellular level. Once oxygen enters the blood, it is carried by red blood cells throughout the body. These cells transport oxygen efficiently to the muscles, where it is needed most during exercise. This continuous delivery system allows muscles to function effectively over time. Inside the muscle cells, oxygen combines with glucose to produce energy. This process occurs within specialized structures known as mitochondria, where energy is generated in a controlled and efficient manner. The result is the production of ATP, which powers muscle contraction and movement. As exercise continues, this process becomes more active, supplying the energy needed to sustain performance. As energy is produced, heat is generated as a natural byproduct. This causes your body temperature to rise gradually. To maintain internal balance, your body activates mechanisms to regulate temperature and prevent overheating. One of the primary cooling mechanisms is sweating. Sweat glands release fluid onto the surface of the skin. As this fluid evaporates, it removes heat from the body, helping to lower temperature and maintain stability. During intense exercise, the supply of oxygen may not be sufficient to meet the body's demands. In this case, the body temporarily shifts to a less efficient form of energy production. This leads to the formation of lactic acid, which can contribute to muscle fatigue and a burning sensation. As exercise continues over a longer period, the body begins to use stored fat as an additional energy source. Fat molecules are broken down and converted into usable energy. This process plays an important role in endurance and overall metabolic health. After exercise ends, the body gradually returns to its resting state. Heart rate slows, breathing normalizes, and oxygen levels stabilize. At the same time, the body begins repairing muscle fibers and restoring energy reserves. This recovery process is essential for adaptation and improvement. With regular exercise, the body adapts over time. The heart becomes stronger, muscles grow more efficient, and endurance improves. These long-term adaptations enhance overall health and reduce the risk of many diseases. Exercise is more than just movement. It is a complex and dynamic process that transforms your body from within. By understanding what happens inside your body, you can train smarter, stay motivated, and build a healthier future.